Cook like a professional with your very own Cast Iron Skillet by Napoleon. Easy to use and season, this skillet is the original non-stick frying pan. Before use, gently wash with hot water. Layer a generous coating of oil or shortening and bake for 1 hour at 350 Fahrenheit in the oven or on the grill. This will give you a lasting non-stick finish. Use Napoleon's Cast Iron Skillet directly on the grill, in your oven, on the side burner, and even on your stove. Most cast iron pans are made with one solid piece of cast iron. That leads to the handle getting hot when it's used. Napoleon's Cast Iron Skillet features a removable handle that stays cool while you cook. It just slides in and out with a twist of the wrist. Not just for fajitas, you can cook up anything you can imagine with your Napoleon Cast Iron Skillet. Your only limit is your own imagination. The Napoleon Cast Iron Skillet.